In 2025, a remarkable story of compassion and hope unfolded through the selfless decisions of 9,811 donors and their families who chose to give the precious gift of sight. Their generosity resulted in 14,623 gifts of healing, each one a chance to transform a life or advance the future of vision science. Through these gifts, 11,260 moments of darkness turned to light as recipients received sight-restoring transplants. Additionally, 3,363 tissues opened new frontiers in research, education, and clinical training, paving the way for future breakthroughs in preventing, treating, and curing blinding eye conditions. Our commitment to excellence took shape in 76 intensive learning experiences, where we had the privilege of educating and training 787 surgeons, fellows, residents, and other clinicians, each equipped with the skills to transform countless lives. This ripple effect extended across borders as we worked with surgeons in 44 countries to provide the gift of sight to those in need. Critical to this journey were 2,076 contributors, community champions who gave to support our mission and light the way forward. We can't thank you enough for helping us make 2025 a record-breaking year, one defined by unprecedented philanthropic support, impact, and hope. Together, we've written a powerful chapter in our ongoing story. But beyond these numbers lies an even greater truth. Each one represents lives touched, families supported, and communities strengthened. As we look ahead, we're inspired by the lives we've touched and energized by change we will continue to create together.